Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can convert the video MP4 to MP3 with the help of VLC media player. So let's start without wasting our time guys. So first of all, you need to install the VLC media player. This is a basic software which every computer should have. So on the search bar, you need to type in VLC media player download and go to first link. So you can see here this is downloading. So once you have downloaded VLC media player, you have to run that. Simply double click on it, and once you have double click on the VLC media player, you need to double click on it in order to open that. And let me show you my videos here. So let's say if you want, these are the video files, okay, and you want to convert them into MP3 file. So this is the small video. Let's open that. Hello everyone, welcome. Just like this. So in this case guys, you need, so let's say this is the music and you want to play with the MP3 format, not the video one. So you need to convert that simply. So open the VLC media player and go to media option here. Then you need to select here convert and /save. In here we need to add the file. So let me go to video on, then this video I'm talking about fix run as admin not working. Open that, and once you open that, we need to click on this convert option, and now convert profile and click on drop down menu, select here MP3, okay, not select anyone else, just select here MP3 option. This is the option, audio MP3, and destination where it is going to save. So let me save here into the desktop. This is the desktop. Click on save. So once you have saved that, you need to start the converting, and now it has started. You can see here, and it will be converted from MP4 video to MP3. Let me show you there. Now it's done. We can cross this out, or you can use another video to convert that. Okay, let me show you here. You can see here this is the audio. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Tech. So you need to still revise another account. So see, the conversion has been done now. We have successfully converted the video from MP4 to MP3. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.